Good morning. My name is Fiona Navasa Wall. I'm the president of the Uganda Law Society, which is a bar association that covers all lawyers and advocates across the country. It's a statutorily set up law society. Therefore, every lawyer, it's mandatory that they have to be a member of the Uganda Law Society. We have 3,700 members across the country, and we do four major things. We ensure the professional development of our members. We ensure increased access to justice through our legal aid project, which covers 22 districts across the country. And we also ensure access to justice through a pro bono project. Actually, right now we are in a pro bono week, and we'll have a pro bono day on Friday, the 4th of this month. By innovations in the legal aid space, at least we've done the pro bono app where lawyers are able to give services and people are able to get access to lawyers using a USSD code or going through the application. We have another thing that we do, which is providing advisory to government, advisory services to government and the public on matters of the law and good governance. So we always give commentaries and opinions. We also go to the parliament and comment on bills. Then we also represent the Uganda Law Society and sit on various boards, various governance boards in the country. Lastly, we are entrusted with the rule of law, with ensuring that the rule of law is followed in everything that happens. So you've seen us making a lot of commentaries, doing a lot of advocacy around the rule of law, even as Uganda goes through this turbulent time of trying to have an election that is peaceful. I think that bar associations are, first of all, as I said, one of our biggest responsibilities should be the professional development of our members. As we speak in Uganda, we're going towards e-filing. The courtrooms are trying to become smarter. And as a bar association, we have a responsibility to equip our members, to expose our members to what is happening around the globe, and to also promote innovation. Because, for instance, in the Uganda Law Society, about 3/4 now of our membership are young people under 35. So that means that they're more awake, they're more inquisitive, they have embraced technology in their private lives. So the role of the Law Society then begins to be, how do we equip them? How do we equip them to plug into the Law Society and the practice of law as it is? And that is why we've been having very many, we have the annual law conference, which is usually a place where we discuss new trends. We have something we call the Latest in the Law series, which is usually like a fireplace setting where we discuss new developments in the law and things like cryptocurrencies and decisions on e-signatures and cybercrime has been an issue. Recently, we had a cybercrime conference for young lawyers. So we believe that the Law Society should be at the helm of technological development within the Bar Association. And we are also the bridge between our members and the courtrooms, and also sometimes our members and their clients. And we need to understand that with COVID, technology and embracing technology has become very, very crucial. However, we also have another role to government, to advise on how government should adjust to this. For instance, illicit financial flows and cybercrime and all these things that are happening because of development. How are we regulated? So we feed into the legislative reform that is required for us to embrace technology, and as the Law Society have been active in that. But we are also trying to develop again the capacity of our members by clustering up into specialization areas. So we have the ICT cluster, we have the IP cluster, and we are trying to ensure that our lawyers specialize and feed into what's happening when it comes to technology. So I think the Bar Association has a big role that we need to serve, and we're trying to lead by example. That's why we have the pro bono application for pro bono services. Currently, we have just automated our payment platform so that our lawyers do not have to go to offices to pay, which will reduce the contact and increase our compliance with SOPs. But we also think that it will ease the doing of business in the practice of law.